Welcome back. If you've been following our channel, you know we deal with technology built for the toughest environments on Earth. But today, we are taking it to a whole new level. We're unboxing a piece of equipment designed strictly for the front line. Imagine a tactical command center, a harsh industrial site, or a bouncing military vehicle. Your average PC wouldn't last 5 minutes. When there's zero margin for error, you need heavy armor. Today, we're unboxing the heavyweight champion from Winmate, the 1.5-inch military rack mount panel PC, model W22IT3S-MLA3FP. The Defense Console Panel PC is built with a rugged, anti-corrosion housing for extreme conditions. It is designed to drop perfectly into standard military cabinets and withstand MIL-STD shock. The I/O includes MIL-STD-810G connector, RS485, 2 USBs, HDMI, and dual RJ45 for fail-proof reliability. Winmate's rugged modular design offers ultimate flexibility. It pairs secure MIL-STD-810G connectors with your choice of Intel or ARM processors. Equipped with top-tier MIL-STD-810G connectors, just align, push, and twist for a secure lock. It easily withstands extreme vibrations for uninterrupted data transmission. The intuitive quick-release design allows instant, one-handed detachment for rapid deployment. The front panel's intuitive buttons let you adjust brightness on the fly, instantly switch between day and night modes for clear visibility in sunlight and stealth in the dark. Combined with auto brightness, it perfectly adapts to any tactical environment. The side shortcut button provides instant access to the touch mode menu. Switch between hand, rain, and glove modes for precise control in any challenging environment. So, there you have it, the ultimate heavy armor for your data. It's tough, it's modular, and it's built to survive where others fail. If you're looking for technology that refuses to quit, Winmate has set the gold standard once again. Let us know in the comments, which environment would you put this beast to the test in? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more rugged tech unboxings. Stay safe, and stay rugged.